Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how I make tasty and crunchy chicken wings. I'll be using my homemade lemon and pepper seasoning that I made. You can check out my video and see how I made this spice. To mix my spice, I'll add chili pepper, ginger powder, white pepper powder, onion powder, garlic powder. I will also add my homemade lemon and pepper seasoning. Add some salt. Then I'll mix everything together. I've already washed my chicken wings, so I'll be adding the mixed spice on the chicken wings. I will mix to combine, making sure that the spice touches all the chicken wings properly. Mixing the chicken, I will set aside. The chicken, I'll be using corn flour. You can use any type of flour you want. I'll add 2 tablespoons of corn flour into the remaining mixed spices. Mix everything together to combine properly. Adding some of the flour on a pan, then coat the chicken into the flour. I will continue this process until I make sure that the chicken is well coated on the flour. All the chicken I've coated into the flour, I will set aside. Preheat my oil. Oil is hot enough. I'll start adding the chicken to the oil and allow it to fry. Please make sure that you're frying on a medium heat so that the chicken will fry gently. Be turning the chicken time to time to fry the both sides. After about 10 minutes, the chicken has fried properly. I'll remove from the oil and set aside. I will continue to fry the remaining chicken. I'm frying all the chicken. I will heat the oil. I want to double fry the chicken to make it extra crispy. Chicken into the oil and fry on a high heat for about 2 minutes and remove and set aside. As you can see, the tasty chicken wings is ready. You can enjoy it like this, or I would like to add some pepper sauce. I added my homemade pepper sauce into the pot. Add the fried chicken, cover the pot and shake so that it will mix properly. Finally, my tasty crispy chicken wings is ready. Thank you all for watching.